Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to create a beautiful petal bridal hand fan that's perfect for weddings or any elegant occasion. So let's get started with the materials. You'll need a plastic skeleton as the base for our fan, some decorative netting, flower petals, sparkling stones, glue and scissors. Step 1. Let's assemble our plastic skeleton. Apply a generous amount of glue to each joint and carefully piece it together. Apply another line of glue and place the next joint over the previous one. Continue to repeat this process until you have joined all the joints together. Make sure the skeleton is securely assembled and let it dry completely. Now that our skeleton is ready, it's time to add some flair. We are going to attach this decorative netting to the skeleton. Simply cut your net fabric to size of the hand fan and apply glue along the edges of the skeleton. Then press the netting firmly onto it. Carefully trim off any excess netting. Now we are going to adorn our fan with delicate flower petals. You can use petals in any color that matches your theme or personal style. Apply a dab of glue to each petal and carefully place them all over the fan in a beautiful arrangement. Feel free to get creative with the placement of the petals, creating layers and textures for a stunning effect. Here I'm just showing you how the petals can be placed on the hand fan. Now continue to place the petals on the skeleton from this point till you get to the base of the hand fan, which we will embellish with these lustrous flat back pearls. Now you should apply a small amount of glue to each pearl and carefully place them along the bottom edge of the fan. This adds a touch of sophistication and luxury. So cover the entire lower part of the fan with pearls. And finally, for a dazzling finishing touch, we're going to add some sparkling stones onto the petals. Now these are the stones. These stones will catch the light and add a subtle shimmer to our hand fan, making it truly eye-catching. Apply some glue and place on your stone onto the petal. Now for the back of this hand fan, you may choose to leave it like that or repeat the same design in front to the back of the hand fan. The choice is yours. And there you have it, your very own Petal bridal hand fan, perfect for keeping cool and looking fabulous on your special day. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more DIY tutorials and wedding inspiration. Until next time, happy crafting.